Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an absolutely amazing spooky season so far with what we have to work with. It's kind of difficult, but we're here, we're filming, we're having a great time. Well, I'm filming, you're watching. Anywho, today I want to do a simple wearable kind of cute Halloween glam moment. As kind of like a makeup creator, Halloween is like this big thing. You know, it's quite common to do a lot of different crazy looks. The bigger the better. But most people aren't going to be doing that all month. They're going to kind of pick one thing to do, probably last minute, you know. So I just wanted to do something pretty simple, and I thought, you know what would be so perfect is my new favorite Instagram filter of all time. It is called Cute Pumpkin by Sasha Soul Art. You guys know the one, I'm sure. Without further ado, let's get into it. Oh yeah, and for all my other spooky bitches out there, I know I showed you my water bottle last time and it says Spooky Bitch Juice on it, but this is the Spooky Bitch tank top. How freaking cute. Yeah, there's cat hair and probably some makeup on it, but I'm super excited. It's such a soft, like comfy, it's kind of like, it's tight up here, you know, for the goils, and then it's kind of looser around the tummy area, and it's flowy and cute, and the link will be in my description, or you can check it out on cadavercult.com. That's where my merch is at. Without further ado, we can get into the makeup. I have done my face, my brows. I did like a little orange blush, which I'm not sure if I love. I feel like it kind of makes me look like I have jaundice, but we're gonna jump into the eyes. I've used this before, and I just, at the end of the day, I can't do a smoky eye without this product. It's the Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow. If you have the P. Louise black base, you could use that. I'll probably buy that when I finish this. If you have a black lipstick or a black liquid lipstick, then you can use that as well. It's the best for doing a dark smoky eye because you don't have to worry about so much fallout. It's pigmented, it's there, boom, boom, boom. And we're just gonna blend out the edge. Anyway, so what are you guys doing for Halloween? Are you guys doing socially distanced like parties where everybody wears masks? Are you just staying in? I heard a couple friends of mine who have children are doing like haunted Easter egg hunts or spooky egg hunts, and I just think that that is the cutest freaking idea ever. If and when I have children, even if we do go trick-or-treating, I'll probably still do that, because just decorating your house or your backyard with a bunch of spooky cute decorations and then hiding little treats, and I'm imagining the kids running around and looking with their costumes on. It's so cute. Oh my god. I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. I feel like I spend a lot of my time and energy like working on content during this time of year, and sometimes it just, you know, when you're busy, it makes time go by faster, right? So sadly, this time of year, I feel like I barely even get to enjoy it. Once the edge is roughly blended, it doesn't need to be perfect, go in with a black eyeshadow and just tap that all over. Next, we're just gonna add a little bit of the black that we used on the lid on the lower lash line. A little bit goes a long way. There should be enough black eyeshadow on that brush to set the lower lash line, but what's really important, at least for me, is we need to take a fluffy brush and get some powder down underneath that black, or else it'll just drip all the way down my face. One of the most important things when you're doing a smoky eye like this is picking a color to blend out the black with. So in our filter, it looks like it's actually a little bit more of a reddish, which is cute, but I think I want to just make it a hint more orangey, just so it fits the theme a little better. So I'm gonna try this palette. How cute is this for fall? This is the Highway Queen On the Run palette by Urban Decay. I feel like Shag Van is gonna be perfect. It's kind of like a muted a muted orange. Putting that right there on the edge of the black. And it's okay if some of it gets on the black itself, because what we can do is add more black. And we're gonna do the same thing on the lower lash line. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna want to drag this orange all the way up to the brow bone, but try to resist because we want to do a little bit of a lighter color up there. I'm thinking this one right here, road soda. I thought it was roady sody. An alcoholic beverage that you drink in the car, passenger seat only, of course. Once that's blended, I'm gonna use this light shade, kind of like yellowish beige cream color right here, and blend everything out. Since I got some orange and stuff on the black, I'm just gonna go back in and pat a little bit more black eyeshadow where I need to. This is looking so cute. I'm gonna add a peachy colored eyeliner to my waterline just to help the eyes look open and awake. What else is new, y'all? I've been watching iZombie. I'm on season 5 now, I think. It's pretty good show. Kind of cheese, but I'm enjoying it. But other than that, Gary and I have been really into watching Celebrity Family Feud. I love Family Feud. I'm really good at guessing the questions. I need to be on Family Feud one day. I have to make it happen. I'm gonna pop on some lashes from a big old pack of lashes that I get from Amazon. What else? Oh, we've also been really into the new Weakest Link with Jane Lynch. Oh my gosh. I love her, and I love that show. I love the trivia. I like being able to guess along, and then also like roasting the people that don't know the answers to the questions that I know. We tried to look up the old Weakest Link, the British version, and oh my gosh, I couldn't get through it. The previous host really I don't think she really mastered the art of like the insult comedy the way that Jane Lynch does it. So the new one's definitely a big upgrade. We also watched Hubie Halloween. It's that Adam Sandler movie that just came out on Netflix. Oh my gosh, you guys. I haven't laughed so hard. It's so cheesy. It's so cheesy and it's so dumb. Good movie to just sit back and relax with. Have a laugh, have a drink, have an edible. Damn, these lashes are huge. Before I add the clowny elements to this look, I want to finish it off just so you guys can see what it would look like if we didn't add that stuff. So we need highlighter, and I feel like a pretty glittery highlighter would be appropriate for this look here. Yellowy and glittery. This one's called OMG from Divina Cosmetics. You can use my code, which is Alice, if you would like. Ooh, maybe I'll setting spray first, and then I'll do it. And then since that one is pretty crazy, I'm going to use Euphoria on my Cupid's bow, chin, forehead, etc. I need something for my body because I'm not glittery enough. Makeup Revolution sent this, the Molten Body Glow. Oh, okay. This is like those shiny tights, but for the rest of your body. You know what I'm talking about? Like the shiny tights that I think you have to wear them if you work at Hooters. I don't know why that's my only reference of it, but shim shimmy shim shimmy shim shim shiroo. I'm losing it. Ooh, brow bone. I almost forgot brow bone. Just a little, because we don't want any of that shimmer to get on the eyeshadow. So next we're going to do the lip. Go in with something a little darker than your natural lip color. And this is one of those Instagram filters that alter your face a little bit. So it has that enlarging effect on the lips, which is really nice for when you want to do an Instagram story and not put on any makeup. We're just going to overdraw. focusing on overdrawing the Cupid's bow mostly, not really the sides. Color in the corners of the top and bottom lip, and I like to draw a little line down the middle just to add a little fullness. And now I'm adding a lighter lip color. This is the Rimmel Stay Satin liquid lip color in the shade As If. That color has a little too much warmth for me, so I'm gonna do a Boney Cosmetics Daydream, just lightly kind of on top, mixing everything together until I get kind of a custom color. And lastly, let's top it off with a little gloss. For the black triangles, I'm gonna be using my Marin Makeup Paint thingamajiggy, as I have been using pretty much for every Halloween video that I do. Washes off easily. You could go in with a liquid lipstick or something like that, or eyeliner, but it's gonna clog your pores and it's gonna be harder to get off. So you're gonna want to look straightforward. Draw a dot for how high you want it to go. Try to make it symmetrical on both sides, you know. Why did I even highlight my nose? I'm gonna have to draw a black dot on it anyway. Make sure when you draw the nose, kind of put it where you imagine it's gonna be flattering for you. Don't put it too low, or else you're gonna make your nose look saggy and downturned. Beep. The lower lash line doesn't really have as precise of a triangle. It has more of like a glitter tear type of thing. I think that I just want to do a regular triangle because I think that would look best for the look. Sometimes you gotta take your own creative liberties, you know? I think that's cute. I think that's good. I think that was a good decision. Last but not least, I'm adding a little gold glitter liner to the triangles. Anyway, there's the finished look. I added some contacts from TTDI. These are the yellow and red swirl, I believe is what they're called. I'll link them below. But yeah, they're prescription. They make prescription contacts, and I'm obsessed because I like being able to wear these funky Halloween lenses, but I have -6 prescription. So I need to be able to see, and I can see out of these, and they look cool. So they're not the same ones as the filter, but I think that this look is pretty similar to the filter. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I had a lot of fun with it. And if you recreate this, definitely tag me. I'd love to see it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Muffin, what are you doing? What on earth? Muffin. Muffin, you're kind of ruining the shot. My little pumpkin. What do you think of the makeup, Muffin?